Good morning everyone, welcome back to another vlog. I am going to be vlogging my day today. I'm just going to do like a traditional daily vlog sharing what I'm getting up to. I just had my breakfast and I know a lot of you are going to be like, ew, that was disgusting, warm wheat bix, like who are you? Don't knock it till you try it. It's delicious, and it's actually like, I'm wearing a cardigan. It's the 1st of December now when I'm actually filming this video because I need to film a little bit in advance to make my life easier for Vlogmas. But it's still kind of cool. Like, it's comfortable wearing a cardigan and it's supposed to be the start of summer, so we'll see what happens with the temperatures rising, but it typically doesn't get that hot here anyway, so we'll see. I'm not complaining. This is definitely me not complaining. But yeah, today I have a few things that I want to get done. I just spent the morning doing some emails. I put the solo episode live of our Earthly Roots podcast where I filmed by myself. It was kind of scary, but it was okay. It was just a bit weird to sit down for that long to film me talking. So if you're interested in hearing about how to connect to nature, or just a little bit of my journey on changing careers and staying centered and grounded by connecting to nature, then I think you'll definitely enjoy that podcast. And there's so many other different awesome episodes that we filmed over there, both Diane and myself. So make sure to head over to that channel and check it out, or you can listen to the podcast on any podcasting app that you prefer. I'm actually just about to head out. I am going to go see my Uma, and I have a little Christmas box, or there was a Christmas box here this is her house, so a lot of this is her things, and I'm going to take one of the boxes that she had downstairs full of just some little Christmas things. There's a little Christmas tree and some decorations, and decorate her room. And also I'm going to head to Aldi on the way and just pick up some German or European biscuits and Christmas things. It was kind of a tradition in our family that she would send us a box of Christmas food and European, German inspired food. So I want to go and give her some this Christmas because she obviously can't go out and get it herself. So if you're new here, my partner and I, we do live here in my Uma's home. We're taking care of it and renting it basically. And that's because she's in a nursing home and she has dementia. It's more of the high care dementia, so needing to be in a nursing home, and things can be very confusing for her. So I don't bring my camera in because I know that'll set her anxiety off and film kind of inside there, but I might just take a little clip on my phone of the decorations. But yeah, that was a long intro for what I'm actually doing. I'm gonna go see my Uma, and then I'm going to come back and make some Christmas decorations for the tree. I've got a few dried flowers around that I would like to make some Christmas baubles for the tree. And then I have a bunch of seeds that I want to plant. So I thought I would kind of share later in the video of what I'm planting right now, or what you can plant at the start of December. So yeah, I think that will be a nice day. I might even go for a walk to the Botanic Gardens, see what's happening down there. Yeah, just have a fairly relaxing day with a little bit of work interspersed between, and yeah, just share what I get up to. But first I need to make some coffee. We ran out this morning, so it's half decaf, half normal coffee, which is probably fine because I could do with a little bit more decaf coffee. But anyway, I need to make that and then I can head off. There's a big yawn. Very comfy. Wow. Looks Christmassy. Also, does anyone else's cat have separation anxiety? Because anytime one of us goes outside, Annie just starts crying, and she has this one toy that she kind of takes around everywhere to whoever is left here. But I don't know, if you have any tips on cats with anxiety when their owners leave, please let me know. She literally, like, here's the door. She knows when I have a bag. Just not okay. Not good, is it? It's not good at all, no. I'm gonna have to take this one. Thank you. Okay. Bye, Annie. Visit is all done. I only usually like to stay like max half an hour or so when I go into the dementia ward, just because some of the patients can get a little bit overwhelmed, including my Uma, and it's just better to keep them short and quick, the visits. But she really enjoyed some of the chocolates and Christmas decorations, so that was fun to put up. I am going to go back home via the nursery, and I'm just going to pick up a bag of potting mix because I want to pot up some of the seedlings that I have at home. I'll probably do that in another vlog, but I may as well get what I need now. And then I'm going to go home, and I need to do a bit of work stuff, and also then I'm going to put those decorations together and sow some seeds as well, which is also why I need some soil from the nursery. So I'm going to go and do that, and then hopefully get a walk in this afternoon at the Botanic Gardens. Right, the nursery was a success. I picked up just some more potting mix that I will need for this afternoon, but I wanted to sit down and just finish making a few little Christmas decorations for the tree. I wanted to add some homemade decorations this year just because I think they look really nice, and I have all of these dried flowers, these everlasting daisies or straw flowers, sometimes they're called, from the garden. And I picked up these just little plastic baubles that you can fill from Spotlight, I think. And I'm just going to fill them with some flowers, and I think they'll look really nice. I already did a few. That one there. I think they look really cute. So I'm going to fill the rest of those and pop them on the tree. I have my tea here from the advent calendar today. It is a fennel tea today. I don't know how I feel about fennel. Some of the teas have had quite a bit of fennel in them, but I'll give it a go and see if I like it. So I'll let it cool down a little bit and get making some of these decorations. I was actually thinking of doing a whole video on this, but I'm just going to add it into this vlog here because it's super easy to put together. The main thing you do want to make sure is that all of the flowers are fully dry, and that mainly means like the back of the stem, like the very back bit there, because if it's not, then if you're putting these in like an enclosed bauble, then they have potential to rot and get moldy, so we don't want that in our decorations. But yeah, a lot of these, the majority of them, like these yellow ones here, these ones are the everlasting daisy that is native to the south coast of New South Wales. So we have some beautiful natives that are often used as a lot of dried flowers. I suppose it kind of like matches the climate in a lot of Australian areas. So yeah, I have so many of these and still so many out on the plant. These are all from one plant that I got from Jeff at Whitbird Environmental, who I work with, and always have his links in the description box if you're after some seeds, if you're after shopping for some seeds or plants or garden design. Definitely make sure to check out his website. But yeah, I thought I would just sit down and add this to this vlog here because it's really not a very lengthy process to do. I think this is going to be the last one here. They're all very yellow, very golden. Just looking nice. And then I just have some leftover string from some other baubles that I'm just going to use to tie these together and then hang them up on the tree. Just like that. Right, I think my tea is finally cool enough. Also, how cute are these little coasters that my friend crocheted? That is the right term, right? Crochet, I think so. They're so cute. They're kind of in the shape of little flowers. Sarah was in one of my vlogs, one of my previous vlogs, where it was like a week in the life and we harvested broad beans, and I love them, Sarah. Not as strong as I thought it was going to be, which is nice, because fennel can be very overpowering, but yeah, I really do like fennel in tea. I'm working towards kind of putting together my own tea blend just to have at home and seeing what I like and what I don't like, and having a tea advent calendar I feel like is really helping with that, with the flavors that I like. A lot of these are quite Christmassy, but I feel like that's a lot of the flavors I like anyway. We also got our Christmas mugs. Scott and I get each other mugs for Christmas, and we saw these in a shop the other day and they're really cute. This one is mine. It is a little Highland cow, if it's gonna focus. So cute. So cute. Okay, I also sat down here to go through some seeds that I want to plant. It looks a little funny in here, but this is the advent calendar that Diane and I put together. There is a video coming out of us doing like a Christmas Q&A together, but we put together all of these little packages for our giveaway that is now closed, but it was our podcast giveaway, and all of these seeds is like a seed advent calendar, so there's one for every day up until Christmas, where there's seeds that you can plant right now. So I thought it would be fun to go through some, because today is day 5 of Vlogmas, and I thought I would plant up until today to show you just a few things that you can get in the ground now. If you would like a full video on what you can sow and grow in December, do let me know. I do have some on my channel already that I can link in the description box, but it's a lot of your summer veggies like watermelons, pumpkins, cucumbers, tomatoes, anything that loves warmer weather it's the time to plant right now. But I'm going to grab out the 5 packets to plant today and share what they are. So this is the first one here. We did little cute drawings on them. So here's some little Christmas baubles for number 1. And then we've got the name of the seed inside, or the plant to grow. So the first one I'm going to be planting today is watermelon, and I think, yeah, there's just a few seeds in each just because we wanted to spread it out over the giveaway winners and also do a pack up for us as well, so that Diane and I can plant along and share what we're planting. The next one is loofah, so I'm going to plant some loofah seeds, and I've never grown loofah before. For day 3 was billy buttons, which I do have some in the garden planted, but I would love a few more. Number 4 is aroma tomatoes, which again I do have a few, but I feel like I could do a good succession of tomato planting, which will be nice. And number 5 is jalapenos. So I think that's a nice little selection to start out with, and I have a lot more to plant, a lot more to get through. So I'm going to head down and plant these, just put them in some seed raising mix or the potting mix that I have, and see how these grow, make some little labels for them. And then I think I'm probably just gonna have some lunch and just chill for a bit, play some Animal Crossing, which I have been slightly addicted to lately. Yeah, I have never like played games in my life really ever, but I have started playing Animal Crossing and Stardew Valley on the Nintendo Switch, and it's a good way to just wind down after the day. So I might play some Animal Crossing and work on my little island. Hey puppy. Kind of looks like Rocky.
There's someone in there. Oh, hello. Hey, where are you going? Hello.
Right, we decided to come for a little walk down to one of the beaches, and there's just kangaroos and wallabies everywhere. Just chilling. The one with the little Joey before was so adorable. They're all adorable, but it's really special to see when the little ones come out. But I thought I would end the vlog off here with a little walk that we're going to do, just not too long, just to enjoy some of the beaches around here and some of the animals. Hopefully see some more little flowers and birds about. It's a really good time of day to come out and spot some birds. So we can do that and enjoy our afternoon. So yeah, just wanted to say thank you so much for watching another vlog. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoy the next few little clips that I get of the beach and the lookout areas. And I will see you in tomorrow's video. Happy gardening, everyone. Bye.